Hello everybody! Today I'm going to talk about aquatic ecosystems. Well, the aquatic ecosystems are the biggest ecosystem of the world. An aquatic ecosystem is a system composed of living organisms and non-living elements interacting in the water environment. There are two major types of aquatic ecosystems: freshwater ecosystems and marine ecosystems. The freshwater is one of the main types of aquatic ecosystems, but only 0.8% of the Earth's surface is covered by them, and 41% of the Earth fish are found in the freshwater ecosystem. Some examples are streams, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Our first stop in the freshwater ecosystem is a mountain stream, with water flows rapidly and the organisms are adapted to a strong current. Animals with suckers can help to then climb to the rocks, and a few algae can grow in fast-moving water. The river becoming an important source of food for young insects and home for frogs and their tadpoles. These consumers provide food for many large consumers. The next stop is a pond. Shallow water permits the sunlight reach the bottom, allowing plants to grow there. And many animals are adapted to live here, like dragonflies, turtles, snails, and frogs. A lake is large and deeper than a pond. Here, the algae can float at the surface. The next stop are marine ecosystems. Different habitats ranging from coral reef to estuary make up this largest aquatic ecosystem in the planet. The principal characteristic is the salt, and some factors such as temperature and sunlight determine what type of organisms can live in different zones of these ecosystems. One of the parts of marine ecosystems are the estuaries. The estuary is found where fresh water and river meet the salt water of the ocean. And many algae and plants, such as marsh grasses, provide food and shelter for animals, including crabs, worms, clams, and fish. Our next zone is the intertidal zone. It's between the highest tide line and the lowest low tide line. Organisms here must be able to survive pounding waves and sudden changes of water levels and temperature. Here we can find barnacles, sea star, clams, and crabs. Below the low tide line is a region of shallow water called Nordic zone, which extends over the continental shelf. The sunlight passes through the shallow water, and the photosynthesis occurs then. This zone is rich in living things. Examples: so many types of fish, coral reef, and variety of organisms. Finally, we can find the surface zone in the open ocean. In this zone, the light penetrates only at depths of a few hundred meters. Algae can carry the photosynthesis in these regions. Tuna, swordfish, and some of whales depend on algae for food. In the open ocean, we have the deep zone too. It is located below the surface zone. It's almost totally dark. The animals feed on the remains of organisms that sink down from the surface zone. The deepest parts are home to bizarre-looking animals, like giant squids whose eyes glow in the dark. Well, to the next. It was a pleasure being with you. Bye.